everybody. Happy Tuesday. So we talked on Saturday about the security, the last two Saturdays about security and QR codes. But you might be curious, how do you actually create one of these? So if you want to legitimately use it to put it on your business card so that people can get a link to your website or to your LinkedIn profile, this is how easy it is. You go over to new.express.adobe.com or just Google Adobe Express. You go in there, log in, create an account. I think you can still do this for free, but then you get over to the page where you click on, you go to the search bar in Adobe Express, you type in QR code, and it pops up with the create a QR code. Once you do that, then you can go ahead and create a QR code. You type in the URL or copy and paste the address to your LinkedIn account. You change the colors and the shape however you want it. And then there's a download button. You can save it as a JPEG or a PNG file. And that you can put on anything that, whether it's a Word document, a business card, whatever. It's super simple. That's how easy it is to create a QR code. And then you can have people just take a picture of it and, use it for good. So have a great Tuesday. Hope this helps you out. And if you have any questions and you have a business that you need help with, you can give us a call at Colorado Computer Support, 719-439-0599.